Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary for Thursday morning, September the 26th. Thursday mornings are our export sales report day normally, and we have some news to report here today to you. So we'll talk about that as well as weather, especially weather in South America. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. And as always, we invite you to check out our website, to sign up for our text service as well as Twitter feeds, and head over to our YouTube channel to subscribe to YouTube videos. We get those directly in your email box when they are sent out. So we'd love to have you join us in that community. So let's get into what's happening overnight, and we'll talk about the markets in here. I do want to mention I was on RFD TV yesterday. I will be on RFD TV this morning and Friday morning. That's my normal schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday mornings, talking about the markets, kind of kicking off the trading session. Dollar index, a little bit softer here. Had a big rally yesterday, bouncing off support. We're trading a little bit lower here this morning, and we see gold and silver reacting in a positive manner. Gold up $14, silver up about 58, 59 cents, 60 cents now, as you can see the live trades clicking there. And stock market having a big move as well. One market that's going to the downside. Look at this crude oil down 2.4%, $1.67 losses. News-wise, we're trading at this level because Saudi Arabia has lowered its $100 per barrel price target and will increase production. So they are ramping up production. We saw a big drop yesterday in crude. It has really done little, if any, impact on the grains. We see, corn and crude oil, you think, trade simultaneously. Bean oil and crude trade hand in hand. Look at bean oil's up another 45 points while crude oil's getting smashed. Corn is down 0.75 cents. Most of that's coming after the export sales report were released. Beans closed 6 higher. Meal up $1.50, and the wheat is 5 to 6 cents better. I'm surprised the wheat's holding on after that export numbers that were out. So let's get into our news here and talk about some of the things affecting our markets. We mentioned what's going on in the crude oil market. And there is a list of our offices that you can give a contact out to. You can call or text those numbers that are listed on the website, and should be able to reach someone either way. All right, so rain outlook continues to improve for Brazil's Mato Grosso. That's the top soybean producer. We saw patchy showers yesterday. Isolated showers are expected the rest of the week. Now, the best chances of rain are in the 6 to 10 day and 11 to 15 day outlook, but at this time only modest relief is expected. We need to see more rains, better rainfall opportunities for those areas. We're going to see a lot of rainfall as that hurricane makes land today into tomorrow. A lot of rains coming into the regions such as Kentucky, Tennessee Valley. Those areas, soybeans really don't need 10 inches of rain or 4 inches of rain, but we're going to get it, and we've probably dialed that into the markets so far this week. Now, weekly export sales are out this morning. So this is for the week ending the 19th. Wheat, 5.8 million bushels. That's a marking year low, and the reason why I thought surprised that wheat would hold on to these gains in here. Corn, 21.1. Again, that's not a good number. Corn did start to sell off after these exports were released. Soybeans came in at 57.9 million bushels. Good number there, with China accounting for almost 32 million of soybeans purchased within the last week from the U.S. So they're narrowing their spread. They started off very poor as far as sales pace goes, but they have really narrowed up compared to a year ago levels, with them being an aggressive buyer over the last several weeks, including this last week. Beef sales were out this morning as well, 10.1 million tons, not very good. Pork sales pretty much routine at 28 million. So beef and pork, nothing great, nothing that's going to push us higher here. But you combine that beef sales number with the cutouts today, I think we're looking at lower cattle prices. Show lists are still 1,200 heads smaller. We've dialed in that dollar higher cash trade, I believe. October's futures hanging right around that 183. That's where we saw steady cash trade last week at 183. Probably going to see steady to a dollar higher today. But the cutouts sharply lower yesterday. Choice was down 372. Select was 359 on 171 loads. Those lower cutouts looked away on the futures this morning when you combine that with the poor beef sales and poor shipments. This afternoon, we'll have quarterly hog and pig report. That comes out as well as a cold storage, both at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Trade is expecting all hogs and pigs at 100.4% of last year, kept for breeding 97.9%, marketing at 100.7%. Looks to be, somewhat friendly report in here. The breeding number down a couple percent from a year ago looks to be supportive for the market, maybe longer term. Here in the near term, we're kind of stalling out around 82. It's tough resistance to get above it, 82.50 area. Have a great day, everyone, and as always, we hope to talk to you soon. This has been Brian Hoops. Good luck, good trading, and have a great day.